Morning guys, we're at the final stages here at Grassroots Yard Supply, trying to get this thing looking up to spec before we get open here about a week and a half. So today you can see behind us we are going to lay a lot of pavers, and so we're going to go through, video it, and show you guys step by step how we do it. So the first step is to get our base where we want it. You see we got a laser level set up there, and we want to come 3 inches from the top of where we're going to bring the pavers to, which is going to be top of the concrete. So there's our 3-inch mark. You want 7 inches total of base. So we've got about 4 inches of, this is crush and run that the guys are bringing in, and what we're going to do is level it out, and then we're going to wet it and tamp it in probably 2 to 3 inch increments. Then we're going to pull some string from that concrete slab over to the top of the steps, so that will show us our fall, and then we will just lay the pavers up to that string, give us our grade that we want. So now what Luis is going to do is pull a string, as we said earlier, from the concrete porch over to the top of the stairs, and then he can go along with his measuring tape and get us the 3 inches that we're after. And then we'll wet this and tamp it one more time, and then we'll bring in our granite screenings, anywhere from well, it'll be about 1 inch of granite screenings. Water that, compact that, and then we can start laying our pavers. I want to show you guys our little trick of how we're getting our 2 inches level all the way across. Again, just go by these strings that are pulled from one platform to the other. And so what I'm having to do, I cut that little board there 2 inches, actually a little under 2 inches. I think we're at 1.5 inches on this, and that way we can allow for a 1/2 inch of compaction. But since we've finished that area over there and I don't want to walk in it, we're having to kind of traverse there. I put one knee here and my boots can ride there, and then Luis and I just pull that 2-inch board under the strings, barely touching the strings all the way, and screed it up to that direction. It's time consuming and a little aggravating, and I've seen other ways that people do it with pipe, but this way works, I know, so we're doing it this way. Takes a little bit of time, but if you don't do this part right, then you know everything else is just gonna not be right from here on up. So after we got done tamping, we had the idea to you'll have these little ridges that kind of pop up, you know, where you turn, you tamp. And so what Sam's doing now, we've got this stiff bristle brush, a broom, and just kind of going over the top real lightly. It does a pretty fair job of knocking out all the little humps and ridges. So pretty neat little trick we stumbled upon.